Hello viewers, this is a timeless reading for the letter B females in terms of relationship. जो आज हमारे पास कार्ड ड्रॉ हुआ है वो हुआ है उन व्यूअर्स के लिए जो फीमेल हैं और उनका नाम बी से शुरू होता है। ये एक टाइमलेस रीडिंग है एंड दिस इज़ इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए रिलेशनशिप। तो देखते हैं आज हमारे कौन से कार्ड्स ड्रॉ हुए हैं टैरेट कार्ड में। तो हमारा जो फर्स्ट कार्ड ड्रॉ हुआ है वो हुआ है 8 of Cups। द अदर वन इज़ द सन। थर्ड कार्ड जो हमारा ड्रॉ हुआ है वो हुआ है 4 of Pentacles। और जो मेरी ऑल ओवर एनर्जी आई है मेरे पास वो आई है 5 of Wands की। तो let's start with this 8 of Cups. Now 8 of Cups shows something walking away emotionally. Now there may be a feeling of some emotional detachment, some dissatisfaction, or a sense that something is missing in the relationship. It is a situation where you are thinking whether to stay in this relationship or you just want to leave this relationship. But on the contrary, the other card what we got is of the Sun. The Sun is a very promising card. Now it indicates clarity, it indicates truth, it indicates joy and a childlike happiness. You may be craving for honesty, warmth, and openness in your relationship. If you are recently had some tough time, so this shows a breakthrough moment or a chance to go ahead. So the third card जो हमारे पास आया है वो है 4 of Pentacles. Now this card is about holding on something very tightly. It can be a person, it can be a control, it can be a fear or some past pains. So it can suggest that something is closed off emotionally, unwilling to open up or let go. So it may also show insecurity or a fear of loss of love. This energy जो हमारे पास ऑल ओवर एनर्जी है वो हमारी है 5 of Wands की. Now this also, as you can see, the card is showing there is a lots of conflict, some fight is going on. So this shows conflict, some ego clashes, competition. It may represent arguments, miscommunication in the relationship. So this spread, it suggests that there is a emotional unrest and conflicts in a connection. However, the Sun has the energy of a hope. There is a energy of a clarity. Now this card indicates towards the truth, towards the healing. If both the partners are open, honest, and willing to let go whatever the differences or the clashes you are having earlier in the past, so if you guys can clear it up with their open communication if you're having, so the situation can be improved, that can be better with the blessing of this card. So best of luck and thank you so much for watching my video.